the EVM bahana, the ballot paper demand has once again been, in fact, echoed by the Congress party. The Congress's president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, wants a return to paper ballots as a means of holding elections. He said polls must be held on paper ballots. He's pushed for paper ballots and not EVMs. Let's listen into what he said.
अरे हमारा सब जितनी भी शक्ति लगा के एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी, गरीब तबके के लोग, छोटे कम्युनिटी के लोग, ये लोग जो अपना वोट दे रहे हैं वो वोट फजूल जा रहा है। नहीं, वो ईवीएम छोड़ दो, हमको ईवीएम पीवीएम कुछ नहीं, हमको होना बैलेट पेपर पे वोट, बस। उनको वो मशीन उनके घर में तो रख लेने दो, या मोदी साहब के घर में रहने दो, या शाह के घर में रहने दो। अगर किसी गोडाउन में, अहमदाबाद में बहुत से गोडाउन बने हैं, वहां ले जाके रख लेने दो। और राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में जैसा भारत जोड़ो यात्रा निकाले, वैसा ही ये पेपर, बैलेट पेपर हमको चाहिए।
Well, Sabyasachi, coming to you, the Congress party does not appear to be backing down on its demand for the restoration of paper ballots despite multiple court judgments validating the EVM process.
Well, that's right. See, multiple court judgment validating the EVM, but it seems that the Congress party is not on the same page, and they are demanding that elections in the country should be conducted in paper ballot, not in EVM. Now, Mallikarjun Kharge today, while addressing the Congress party workers, said that he does not care about EVM. He wants paper ballots, and he wants the election to be conducted through paper ballots. Now, he also said that like Mr. Rahul Gandhi had conducted a Bharat Jodo Yatra, similar rally should be conducted across the country for the demand of the paper ballot. And a lot of attacks came in from Mallikarjun Kharge, where he also spoke about caste census and how the central government and the BJP government is spreading hatred across the country.
All right. Thanks a lot for that update that you've given us about Kharge's comments there, Sabyasachi. We'll take a short break right now.